It's not possible. That's why some people say, I'm going to London, I'm going to America. And when they reach there, they started watching Oyibo Yansh. They started packing shit. They say, I want to go to overseas. I want to do. So whatever condition one is, it should be very peaceful. It should be peaceful and thank God. Those who are in London, America, Canada, there are a lot of people that are suffering there. And all those who doesn't like this our program, olùgbòǹkó gbọ́ àṣà borí wọn kú dànù. Àwọn tó Ifá àkókò lókun àsọdọ̀ ẹ̀ gbogbo àwọn tó bá láì program tán ṣe Ifá pa wọ́n jẹ gbogbo wọn kú dànù. O gbọ́ ojú ṣèpótẹ́ o gbọ́ ohun tí mo wí gbogbo ohun tá a bá sọ bá a ṣẹ bẹ́ẹ̀ o. Bó ṣe máa rí nìyẹn ẹ dàgbà ẹ darúgbó. There somebody who went to my WhatsApp. He said he know how to do Ifa. He's doing Ifa for them for London. He said Jogbe can heal everything. So I personally talked to him. I said he should repent and change from all those bad actors. If not, his life will be bad and children will die. He started begging me, say, okay, Daddy, what do I do? He said what he's doing is just to chop people money to die they live. And it's not the best. So that's how they're doing. Plenty of rain will fall this year again.
Oh, you mean the heavens are going to be open, sir?
Yes, and there will be a lot of flooding. The flooding will take a lot of property and will break many houses. Yes, another plane crash is going to follow. This one will comparison the important people of Nigeria. Yes, another plane crash will fall.
Another plane crash. So is there anything we can do to avert it, because it's very important?
If there's something they can want to do, they will come to me. There's something I will do with it, some people, and they will avert it. Then most barren women will bear this year. God will give them children by the grace of God.
So a lot of barren women are going to be answered.
Born, yes, by the grace of God. Some women, they will be thinking it cannot born again in life. They are 50, 60. They will born. It's a miracle from God. So God will bless all of you that came here today. You see good luck and you not see bad luck. And this program we are doing, anybody who say Asabi Akuka, he doesn't do good program, he say God will kill them. Ogun will chop all of them. Will cut it to pieces. Because they don't like me. They don't like the Asabi who doing the program. He do his work as a journalist. And me, I'm doing my own. And since I've been doing this work, there will no query for me. Say this Baba do this and that for them. I don't do it too.
Well, we got testimony from some couple in Germany who said that you helped them and they have their child now, and there are other testimonies from people in Spain and all that. We thank God, sir, for this kind of.
There's one woman, I won't mention her name. He gave me a bundle of clothes, very costly lace. When they say I should go to Honduras and I will use only white, he said, don't worry, Daddy, I will give you 10 years of white cloth. He got a lot of trouble. People worry him. If he eating in the bedroom, they will be with him. If he go out, they will spoil his car. If you do, but I did it. Everything was off of her, so he gave me that as a help.
gift.
As a gift. So God bless all those who came to me. And there are people now who you say, I've sent money to you. They didn't send any money. They don't know they are not cheating me, they are cheating God himself. God will surely finish them. They will die uselessly. And all those who doesn't like this our program, olùgbòǹkó àṣà borí wọn kú dànù. Àwọn tó Ifá àkókò ló kún àsọdọ ẹ gbogbo àwọn tó bá láì program tán ṣe Ifá pa wọ́n jẹ gbogbo wọn kú dànù. O gbọ́ oṣù ṣèkóté o gbọ́ ohun tí mo wí gbogbo ohun tá a bá sọ bá a ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ o. Bó ṣe máa rí nìyẹn ẹ dàgbà ẹ darúgbó.
So before we round up, we want you to give an advice to people in America, in London. There are a lot of people, apart from those in Nigeria who are suffering now, there are a lot of people abroad who cannot produce children. Some are looking for children. They've been married for 20 years, 21 years. Some of them are asking that we should ask you that how can they go out of this problem. Some of them are still meeting themselves inside the dream, sleeping with very big women with big back and big yansh and all that. A lot of them are doing marriage in the dream, and when they do the marriage, they cannot account for what happened in the real life and all that. So how do these people get out there? We have them in Canada, in America. We have them somewhere. Some people are even, their husband is even running away from them to Nigeria. They run and they don't go back again. How do they get out?
Some people in America, in London, in the DC, they are looking for men. Nigeria too are looking for men.
In fact, in Canada now, one news just came out last week that people that have husbands should please lend the government their husbands so that they can give them to some women that don't have husbands, and that the government will pay the wives. That some women don't have husband to sleep with them in their house, they are under pressure. That if you have a husband that is functional with sexual rigidity and all that and purgidity, release your husband, we give you money. So how do we do this?
It's not possible. That's why some people say, I'm going to London, I'm going to America. And when they do that, they started watching Oyibo Yansh. They started packing shit. They say, I want to go to overseas. I want to do. So whatever condition wants is, it should be very peaceful. It should be peaceful and thank God. Those who are in London, America, Canada, there are a lot of people that are suffering there. When they call me, they will say, I want you to do this, I want you to. They think I'm a God that will put that in miraculously on them. It's not possible.
Except they come to see you.
Yes.
Except there's a face-to-face or there's...
Yes. And some people are sending them medicine. You know, France, they don't allow them to use medicine.
They don't allow them to use traditional medicine?
Yes.
Why, sir?
They will see it. You know, France people, they are winch now. You know, they don't allow anybody there. Those who say that, those who are sent there, they send it back to me to DHL. How do I do it? I cannot keep touching now. You say I should go and carry it to post office. This post office is more safer than this DHL. It's wrong.
Sir, but I want to ask you that those the Canada women now, those that they say they should lend their husband for other women, is it good that those husbands should go and help those other women? Is there any spiritual implications, sir, if you allow your husband to go and sleep with another woman and the government pay you money?
It's wrong. You know, most of those girls, they are deceased. They have a lot of disease. You know? Okay,
no, most of those girls that need sex, sir.
Yes. They have a lot of disease. There's one somebody told me, they have a sex with his wife, later the prick shrink inside. So it's infection. Yes. So there are a lot of things. Unless our government is good. Nigeria is good though. There's money here, but we don't know how to do it. There's good luck in Nigeria. Everything is okay in Nigeria. You know, but they don't believe. I want to go to overseas. Some will sell somebody property. Some will steal somebody money. We go to overseas. It's not the best. They are going to suffer. Yes.
Then on the last note, what do you have for pastor? Recently, one pastor came out. Is it Johnson Suleiman or what is his name? The famous Otobo pastor came out to say that he bought the top private jet during coronavirus, and that was praying that corona should not go. Because when we came to your palace at that time, you said you have used your money to chase corona out of this country. Yes. But now this Apostle Johnson Suleiman, the famous Otobo pastor, now came out to say he was praying that corona should not go and because he bought the top private jet, and his wife was even asking him that, "Daddy, can life be sweet like this with the kind of money they made and they bought?" So what advice do you have for this Apostle John Suleiman and some other pastors that are always talking about money, private jet, cash, and cathedral?
They are going to die with their money. Only cow, kẹ́tẹ́kẹ́tẹ́ ni Jésù ní, kò ní sheep, kò ní everything. But and he was running the life very peaceful, you know.
That is donkey.
Donkey. So they should forget about those people in overseas, you know. If you have sex with them, those who are sucking Oyibo, those who are dog are having sex with them, how many diseases will you say they are infused in their body? Too much.
So they become disease manufacturer.
As Africa one.
You need to pray for them, sir.
I can't pray for them, because they are intentional, know how to commit those things.
So on the last note, I just advise people that are watching you in UK, in US, in Nigeria, in Ghana, in Casablanca, in Freetown, everywhere, people that appreciate culture and want to be delivered, especially people in the Yoruba nation who are confused now, who feels that Yorubas are being cheated, or Yorubas are being neglected, or being relegated, or being disadvantaged and in some areas of life. So what prayer should they do, and how should they find themselves properly so that they will be independent?
Like what?
What should they do to get themselves out of psychological distress?
Only God can help them. If they happen to come to me, God will help them.
Yes, sir.
But there are somebody who went to my WhatsApp. He said he know how to do IFA. He's doing IFA for them for London. He said Jogwe can heal everything. So I personally talked to him. I say he should repent and change from all those bad acts. If not, his life will be bad and children will die. He started begging me, say, "Okay, Daddy, what do I do?" He said what he's doing is daughter to chop people money to daddy live, and it's not the best. So that's how they're doing.
Well, thank you, sir. It has been a very wonderful time with the Egbejologun of Nigeria, His Royal Highness Oba Augustine Bola Adegunloye. You've had it all, the prophecies for this next quarter of the year, that we should be very careful. We should pray over plane crash, which I know God in His infinite mercy will avert. Then that all of them, the politicians that are looking up to 2023, who are not concerned about the immediate problem of their people, might finally find themselves in another place, and they will never be in 2023. And that Lagos, Abuja need spiritual cleansing. This has been the case in the last 5 years. It has been a campaign, spiritual campaign. The Egbejologun has said it, that until that is happening, until that is done, all the crises crisscrossing the country will not be stopped. However, we have learned one or two things from the videos and from other videos that we have put on there. If you have anything, you can drop in the comment box. To reach out the Egbejologun for spiritual consultation, the numbers and the phone numbers are there, streaming on the phone, on the video. We want to thank you till next time that we are privileged to be in His palace, in His ambience. Let the discourse continue, and goodbye.